Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are chocolate chip muffins. This is a low carb, keto friendly dessert. It is chocolate chip muffins. They're really great for meal prep and they stay well in the fridge for about a week and in the freezer for about 3 to 4 weeks. Super great, really easy for breakfast or just a dessert that you want to enjoy. First thing we're gonna do is we are going to mix our dry ingredients. Now, as you guys already know, all of my ingredients and measurements will be down in the description below. I'm gonna add some almond flour sifted into a larger bowl. We're just going to sift this in so that we make sure there are no large clumps inside. To my almond flour, I'm also gonna add some baking powder as well as sea salt. And we're just going to whisk the dry ingredients together. I forgot to mention that while we're working on the batter for these muffins, we're preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I've set my dry ingredients aside. We're gonna work on mixing the wet ingredients. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cream cheese to a larger bowl. This is room temperature softened cream cheese. I'm also gonna add some softened butter. And some vanilla extract. We're gonna take a hand mixer and we are gonna beat this until everything is combined. You might wanna mash it a little bit and then you can turn on the hand mixer. Next, I'm going to add my granulated sweetener of choice. I'm using erythritol, but you can use monk fruit, stevia, really whatever you prefer. And I'm using low speed. I'm not using high speed because I don't want everything to explode out of the bowl. So make sure that your hand mixer is on low speed. Now we're gonna add 1 egg at a time to our batter. The reason we're adding 1 egg at a time is because we wanna make sure that it's mixing really well and it's not just going to explode again out of the bowl. If you add it too fast, it will literally be all over your kitchen. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. It's time to add our dry ingredients. I'm gonna slowly sift in our dry ingredients. I'm gonna add half at first, and then the second half after we're done. Again, I'm mixing everything on low speed to make sure it's not all over my kitchen. And take a spatula, scrape down the sides to make sure that we're mixing all of our ingredients together. Lastly, I'm going to add chocolate chips to my batter. I'm gonna take half of the amount that's listed down in the description below to mix it into the batter. And you're just going to fold it in with a spatula. Our batter is ready to go into the muffin tin. I have a muffin tin that is lined with liners. Now you don't have to use liners, although I recommend it because it just makes it easier and cleaner to make this. I'm gonna take the batter and we are going to distribute it evenly in our muffin tin. Now, you don't have to use an ice cream scoop or a cookie scoop, but it makes it a little bit easier so that you're not actually missing the liner or the muffin tin. Sometimes when you're pouring the batter, it's hard to stop it, especially since this is a little bit of a liquidy batter. It's not liquid, but it's just not, you know, like a cookie type batter. Our muffins are almost ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna take the remaining chocolate chips and we're just going to top off all of our muffins with a few extra ones. Our muffins are ready to go into the oven. Again, my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes. You know they're done when you do the toothpick test and the toothpick comes out completely clean. And these are our chocolate chip muffins. So delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. I mean, they are absolutely perfect. Nice and soft. As you can see, the cake for the actual muffin is just really moist and smells incredible. I cannot wait to dig in. Cheers. Not too sweet, not dry at all, and you don't even taste how healthy they are, but they are keto friendly and low carb. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.